Assalamualaikum. Most respected PM of Pakistan, Allah Pak bless you, succeed you and more promote you. I want to Allah the field to the Pakistani nation. Believe it because Imran Khan Sahib is really great blessing of Allah Almighty for the Pakistani nation. Imran Khan Sahib PM of Pakistan is really backbone of the world. No any PM of Pakistan, no any PM of in the world compete with the Imran Khan Sahib. I want to allow the appeal to the Pakistani nation. Please not ignore to the PM of Pakistan, Imran Khan Sahib. Imran Khan Sahib is very genius, very honest, very courteous. So I want to request to the Pakistani nation, please help to the PM of Pakistan, Imran Khan Sahib. Imran Khan Sahib, motto of Imran Khan Sahib, make the Pakistani nation more prosperous. Very sympathetic, very kind to the poor and feeble people. So I want to request you, PM of Pakistan. I am London shopkeeper Baba Gurbat Ali Srila Sargoda Kharkhana Badar. I am proud of you. Really, you are very industrious, very genius, very hard worker. PM of Pakistan, no any person compared with you. PTI government is really great blessing of Allah Almighty for the Pakistani nation. It is duty of the Pakistani nation to help the PTI government. PTI government is really industrious nation, hard worker government. So I want to request you again and again, never forget the PM of Pakistan. After Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, only one person meet to the Pakistani nation is called PM of Pakistan, Imran Khan Sahib. I am proud of you, Imran Khan Sahib. May great Allah bless you and selection you again for 10 years. I request to the Allah Almighty and pray for your long life with your government. Thank you very much. मैं हूँ बाबा गुरबत अली, जिला सरगोदा, तहसील साहिवाल, डाकखाना एंड विलेज साहिवाल। मैं आपको मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि गुरबत ने मुझे लंडा शॉपकीपर बना दिया। इमरान खान साहब, आपने पाकिस्तान को पैरस बना दिया। थैंक यू वेरी मच। May great Allah bless you, succeed you in every exam of your life. Thank you very much.